Go ahead and type AI receptionist in Google and you will get a dozen tools that all sound exactly the same. What none of them explain is what actually is happening on the call once one of them picks up the phone. Most explanations stop at it answers with AI, which doesn't tell you anything about whether it will actually solve a problem for an insurance agency. So the real question is, what happens between the moment someone calls and the moment their problem gets handled? Well, there are 4 specific things that actually happen, and in order. First and foremost, it actually listens and understands what the caller needs. In plain conversation, with no phone tree and no menu options, the caller just talks. Let's see an example.
Hello, thank you for calling. This is Frank. How may I help you today?
Hey Frank, I want to see if you could help me on getting me a quote for a vehicle, please. I mean, I already have insurance with you guys, so I'm not sure if you could look me up.
Got it. Since you're already a client with us, I can look up your details to make this process quicker. Could you confirm the insurance carrier for your current policy?
Second, for an insurance agency specifically, it looks up the caller in your AMS. So it doesn't only know that someone just called, it knows who they are, what policy they're on, and who their account manager is before it decides what to do next. Third, it makes decisions based on that. If it's a certificate request or a payment, it resolves it right there on the call. If the call needs a person, it routes it with the full context already attached, so the conversation doesn't start over from scratch when someone picks up. And the fourth feature is that it logs every single call. It automatically generates a transcript and a summary, so there is a record even for the calls that nobody had to touch. And that is exactly the model Sonant is built around, which is specifically designed for insurance agencies, not a generic phone bot repurposed for your industry. And that is really what makes the difference. Being able to work alongside your AMS and take decisions in that, being able to transcribe and summarize calls automatically, being able to reroute the call to the adequate individual within the full context of the conversation. All of this is what it allows it to actually resolve something instead of just taking a phone call. And that is exactly why insurance agencies like Big Pickering went from answering 120 calls out of 1,000 to answering every single one of them once that full loop was in place. So, if you want to see all 4 of those steps running against your AMS and see how an AI receptionist specifically designed for insurance can help your agency grow, you can book a demo with us at sonant.ai.